In this video, I'm going to discussing about what is EC2 service in AWS and how to create launching the new Windows EC2 instance in AWS. Before going to discuss these two, so I want to discuss about what are the details required and what are the steps you need to require to create a new AWS account. So you may have a question like this. So why you need to create a new AWS account? Okay, so once I explained so how to creating and launching the new Windows EC2 instance in AWS, you need to practice, right? For that practice, so definitely you need to create new AWS account. So I will guide you how to do that, and so I will guide the steps and what are the required things you need to create that AWS account. We'll go to the steps. Firstly, we'll go with what are the required things like for create new AWS account. First of all, you need one email address. Okay, you need email address, and second one is you need your mobile number that should be linked to your bank account. Okay, and third one is credit card or debit card, and it should be enabled for international transactions. Okay, and so RuPay will not work, and one more Master or Visa will work. Okay, these are the required details you need to create that new AWS account, and we'll go to the steps. First of all, so these are the steps. This is totally 8-step process to create that new AWS account. And first one is log into the AWS website. Okay, after click on the create new account, or else I will show you that. So how to go to that? Just go to the Google and search for AWS sign in. Okay, just click like that. So there is a link, right? Amazon Web Services sign in. So after that, it will show like this. So click on create new AWS account. Okay, once you click on that, it will navigate to this interface. Okay, now we'll see the steps. So what you need to follow. So so after clicking on create new account, so after you need to verify, first step is you need to verify your email address. Okay, and so once you entered your email address, so you will receive that verification code. You need to again enter into that. Okay, once you verified that email, so after you need to create the password for that AWS account. Okay, and after that you need to enter your contact information like your phone number, like all those things. Okay, and also here while you are providing the contact information, so here you will get the question. So this is the thing. So how do you plan to use AWS? So always please select personal, since we are using that personal, right? So for our personal purpose, right, to practice that, so please select personal. After coming to billing information, next step is billing information. So here you need to enter your credit card or debit card details. Okay, and after that, so confirm your identity. So by this AWS confirm with by using your phone number, you need to enter your phone number, and you will receive the notification, that verification code. So again you need to enter that. So once that verification is completed, so it will go to next step, that is called select a support plan. Please select basic support, that is free type. So it will show like this. So basic support free, so that is option one. It's defaultly selected. Please select that one. So if you select apart from that, so you need to pay amount for the AWS. So hope you understand. So after, it will showing as once you select that plan and click on next step, so it will show as congratulations. Okay, so these are the things what you need, what you required. So these are three things. And first is email address, second one, once again I am repeating, first is email address, second one is your mobile number that is linked to bank account, your credit card or debit card that should be enabled for international transactions. RuPay will not work, so master or visa card will work. Okay, and so these are the steps you need to follow. Okay, first log into the website. So just now I shown you, right? Go to that, and where first step is verify your email address. Okay, after that you create your AWS account password. So after that you need to enter your contact information. So here please select personal. Okay, since we are using personal purpose, so you need to select personal. Okay, there is two are there, like personal and professional. You need to select personal. After building information, so you need to enter your credit card or debit card details. Okay, confirm your identity, select the support plan. Please select basic support free type. Okay, it is valid till 12 months. And so once you created and once you successfully get this, congratulations, you need to wait for 24 hours to practice that services. Okay, to activate that account. So these are the steps you need to follow to create your new AWS account. Now we'll see about, so what is our second agenda, what is EC2 service. We'll see this after. We'll see so how to create and launching the new EC2 instance in AWS. Okay, and see what is EC2. So it is one of the most popular service in AWS, obviously, and EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, it is under infrastructure as a service. So if you want to know infrastructure as a service, please go through my previous videos. You will understand what is infrastructure as a service. Okay, and coming to the definition of EC2, so Amazon EC2, that is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, provides scalable computing capacity in AWS cloud. Scalability means scaling up. That means increasing the servers and decreasing the servers based on the demand. That is called scalable. Okay, that is called scalability. I already discussed this in my previous videos, right? So you will understand. So we'll see this all these things in practically. Okay, you will understand very easily what is this increasing and decreasing server. Actually, that is the definition of that. That scalable means so whenever the load is increases, like whenever the users of your website increases, so you need to scale up that servers, right, to handle those requests. So that is called increasing the servers. So whenever the users of your website decreases, so you need to scale down the servers. That is called like decreasing the servers. Okay, that is the concept we call it in scalability. And so no need to take care about the hardware upfront, definitely, right? Just within few clicks we will understand. So after, right, so definitely while we are creating that new EC2 instance, you will understand. No need to take care about that hardware, that server. We no need to take care about that. That will take care about AWS. Okay, that is the meaning of this sentence. Okay, and so what EC2 contains mainly is your virtual machines. That means we can create the virtual machines by within few clicks. You will understand. So we'll go that practically, right? Next step. So we'll see that. And so EBS, it's like a storage. Okay, EBS means elastic block storage, and it's nothing but a storage. Okay, ELB, elastic load balancer, AC, auto scaling group. So this concept will help you to achieve that scalability, what we discussed just now in this definition. Okay, these are the four mainly what we have in EC2. So we'll discuss one by one practically. Okay, after completion of this EC2, enter EC2 service. So we will understand so everything clearly. And coming to server synonyms, these are all our server synonyms. Okay, we call it as, sometimes we call it as an target, and sometimes we call it as a computer, sometimes we call it a machine, box, PC, server as a AWS terminology. So we call it as an instance. Okay, remember this server is nothing but an instance in AWS terminology. Okay, now we'll see the so how to create that new Windows EC2 instance in AWS. Okay, now I am going to log into the AWS account. I already created my AWS account. So once you log into that, so the interface, this is called AWS Management Console. So this interface, okay, once you log into that, once you successfully created your new AWS account, so please log into by using that website only. Just click on in Google like AWS sign in. So we'll get that link, right? So what I have shown you just now. So go to that, and so you need to enter your mail ID. After it will ask capture. After you need to enter your password. So once you successfully done that, you will receive this type of interface. And so these are the most recently visited. So what I have visited, it will note it here. Okay, now we need to discuss with EC2, right? So how to get this EC2? There are two ways. So I want to show you here. Now first way is go to the services, click on services, go to the compute, and go to the EC2. Okay, this is one way to access that EC2 service. Okay, and coming to next second procedure, this is very simplest. But go to the search bar, click EC2. Okay, type EC2. So you will get that EC2 service. Okay, these are the two ways to access that EC2 service. Okay, and see how it's looking like. So this is a EC2 management console. Okay, once you open this, it will navigate to this one only, instances only. Okay, if you want to see the EC2 dashboard, click on that EC2 dashboard. Actually, so generally dashboard, what it means, so it will collect all the things, right? So like that, so this EC2 dashboard also, like, so how many instances are running, it will show. Like for example, if you are running 10 instances, so here like the 10, it will show 10. So dedicated hosts, how many are there, like, so it is like a dashboard. So this interface we call it as an EC2 dashboard. Okay. And see load balance, how many load balance are running, security groups. So you will understand. So after completion of this video, you will understand each and everything. Okay, don't worry about these technical words. Okay. And so now go to the instances. Okay, click on, so just now we watched that EC2 dashboard. Now click on instances. Okay, you will see this type of interface. Okay. Now, so I want to explain so how to create that new Windows EC2 instance in AWS, right? Before going to explain this, so I want to give some theoretical explanation on this. Like, so once I have explained those steps, what we are performing here, you will understand very easily, right? That's what I'm planning. So now we'll see the theoretically. So what are the steps are involved in this while you are creating the new Windows EC2 instance in AWS. Okay. Now go to that notepad. See, first of all, so what you need to while you are creating that EC2 instance means first log into the AWS. We already log in. Choose the nearest region. So I will show you this step. So where it contains. See, whenever you see these are all our regions. So I already discussed with you. So what is a region data center? If you want to see that, if you missed my videos, please go to my previous videos. So introduction to AWS. So you will get more idea on this. So what is a data center, what is a region, what is edge location, you will understand very easily. Okay, these are all our 26 regions across the world. So if for example, if you are from America, so you need to select this one, right? So if you are from like AP, so you are from Australia, like you need to select Sydney. So like that. So as I am from India, so I want to select as this is the nearest one for me. So I want to select this Mumbai. Okay, you can select anyone, but so please select. I strongly recommend so which is the nearest one. Okay. And so I selected successfully. Just now I have showed to you. And so now how to log into that? Go to the services, go to the compute, go to the EC2. So I already shown you. And also there is one more procedure. Just go to the search bar and type EC2. So you will get that. And so this is the 8-step process to create a new EC2 instance, that create a new Windows instance in AWS. Okay. First one is select AMI. Okay. AMI stands for, so this is the first step. So what you have seen. Okay. I will show you practically. Don't worry about that. So just listen theoretically. So you will understand. So what are the steps involved in this? Okay. Select AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Mission Image. So what it means, it's nothing but a OS. Okay, like operating system. So which one you need to select? So this is the step one. So you need to select operating system. Okay. And coming to step two, so what it means, so t2.micro. So what it means, so it is nothing but a instance type. Okay. Instance type. So what it means, so it is a combination of, so a CPU and RAM. Like, so every computer has CPU and RAM, right? So mainly every computer, what it contains, mainly CPU, RAM, hard disk, right? So this instance type, what it means, it is a combination of CPU and RAM. So if you select t2.micro, like there are so many combinations are there. I will show you while we are doing the practical. So if you select t2.micro, that means you selected one CPU and 1 GB RAM. Okay. So if you want to select like 2 CPUs, 2 GB RAM, so there is some other like t2 dot something like t3.micro. So I will show you while we are doing that practically. Okay. So instance type is nothing but it's a combination of, you need to select like how many CPUs you needed, like how much of RAM you needed. So that is called, we call it as an instance type. That is in step 2. And coming to step 3. Yeah, here you need to select, so how many instances you need to create. For example, if you want to create so 4 instances at a time, you can create it. You can give the number, just give the number, so it automatically created. Okay. And so if you want to create only 1 instance, you can give the number, so how many instances you need to create. That means how many servers. I already told you. So server is nothing but an instance as per AWS terminology. And coming to storage for Windows instance, so it is defaultly showing as 30 GB. So if you want to increase it, you can increase it, but as per feature eligibility, so 30 GB is enough. Okay, that means 30 GB only it allows. Like so if you want to use, so you can increase that, so you need to pay the amount to AWS. Okay. And adding tags is nothing but a naming to the mission. That means naming to the server. That means naming to the instance. So I already told you, so these are the synonyms of the server. Okay, mission is nothing but a server, so laptop is nothing but a server. Okay, you need to think like that. Okay. And coming to security group, this one I need to discuss more. So this security group, what is a security group? I will explain to you. Okay. And I will explain to you clearly what is security group, why we are using that. Okay. Consider you have successfully created a new Windows instance in AWS. So this is what you have created, Windows mission in AWS. Okay, what you have created, new Windows instance in AWS. Okay, Windows instance in AWS. Okay, you successfully created new wins. So you want to communicate. So you want to communicate with another computer, right? To communicate with this AWS instance, what you have created. So for that, definitely you need open the port. Okay, so for Windows instance, so RDP is the port. That port is nothing but a point of communication. So if you want to communicate that instance, what we have created, that new Windows instance in AWS, so definitely you need to open the port, or else it's not allowing to you. It's like security group access, like firewall to your EC2 instance. What I'm saying, that's like good definition for that. So it acts as a firewall to your Windows instance. Okay, simply. So if you want to access that EC2 instance what you have created in AWS, so definitely you need to open the ports, that we call it as a security groups. Okay. So as you see here, so we have 0 to 65,535 ports are there. So each port has a different purpose. So since we are creating Windows instance, right? For Windows instance, AWS provide RDP Pro. Okay. For Windows EC2 instance, it provides RDP port, and port number is 3389. So if you are using Linux at the time, you need to open SSH. Okay. We'll see in next video. Okay. And so step 7 is you need to review and launch. Okay, and step 8, so you need to create a new key pair. Okay, click on new key pair, download the key pair and launch the instance. So these are the 8 steps. So here we have seen that, right? Key pair. So here you need to observe, so what is a key pair? Key pair is nothing but a key pair, right? Yeah, I'll explain you. So key pair is nothing but it is a .pem file. Okay, .pem file. So where you use, okay, so it is helpful to generate the password. Okay, password. Okay, just remember this keeper is, but it is a .pem file, so it is helpful to generate a password. So where we use this password, I will tell you. Okay, so this is the 8-step process. Okay, what you need to do. Okay, we'll see the practically. I just not have given us like theoretical knowledge on this. So what are the steps involved, and see. And so after creating successfully, you created, right, that new new Windows EC2 instance in AWS. You need to connect to that, right? So generally, so as in Mumbai region, I am there. So definitely, so once I created successfully that instance created in Mumbai region, that means Mumbai data center, right? So region in, but it is collection of availability zones, right? Availability zone is like, it's a collection of one or more data center. Obviously that is Mumbai, we call it as simply Mumbai data center. So whatever I have created in Mumbai data center, I need to connect, right? For that you need 3 things. One is DNS name, and second one is username, and third one is password. So how you get this password means by using key pair. Okay, by using key pair, that is .pem file. So you need to upload that file and you need to click decrypt, so you will get that password. Okay, I hope you understand. So where you are using key pair. Okay, these are the steps what you need to follow to create a new Windows EC2 instance. Okay, now we'll see practically one by one. Now, so come to instances. So once you log into AWS, so you need to come to EC2. Okay, EC2 service. Once you come to there, just observe the EC2 dashboard. Just observe. So no need to do anything. So just observe. So what it contains. So as of now, all are zero. Only security group has one. So I already told you. So what is security group? It's nothing but a firewall to your EC2 instance. What you have created. Maybe that is maybe Windows, Linux, Mac, that anything, right? So like, so now come to instances. Now observe the steps what I am doing. Click launch instances. Okay. After that, so choose an Amazon mission image. I already told you it is nothing but choosing an OS, that is operating system, right? So you need to select. So what you need, like for example, if you want to create so already had so Linux, so you need to use this. You can select it and SUSE Linux. So there are so many Ubuntu, Windows, like there are so many operating systems are there, right? And before selecting that, you need to remember, so since we are using free tier plan, right? So you need to select only free tier eligible. Okay, don't select other than this. So if you select other than that, so you need to pay amount to the AWS, so you will get the bill. Okay, please select free tier eligible. Okay, don't select other than this. Okay, since I am trying to create a new Windows instance, right? So I am selecting this one. So free tier eligible, yes. And so click on select. After here, see, I will tell you what is a instance type. It is a combination of CPU and RAM, right? See, whenever you see here, so there are so many different types of there, right? If you take so this is only for free tier eligible, so it's default selected, no need to select. For free tier eligible, only this one will allow. So T2 dot micro. So if you take T2 dot medium, so how many CPUs are there? See, this is CPUs, right? So two CPUs, T2 dot medium, so two CPUs and 4 GB RAM. So if you want to take a 4 CPUs and 16 GB RAM, so you can take it 4 CPUs and 16 GB RAM. That is T3.x large. Okay, you need to see like this. Okay, if you select this apart from this free tier eligible, you need to pay amount to the AWS. Okay, after click on next configuration instance details. So I already told you this step, right? So whatever, if you want to create 2 instances, you can give it. So if you want to create 3 instances, you can give it. That is your wish. So just I want to create one instance, so that's why I have given as 1. Okay, after just click add storage. So this thing also I already discussed you. For default it is showing as 30 GB of hard disk. So if you want to expand, so you can expand that, but maybe you will get the bill. Okay, so I don't want to do like that. And click on next, add tags. Tags are nothing but a naming of your mission, so we'll do after, so no need to do here. So if you want it, just click add tags. So given as name, so I want to give my name as that server name. So what I have created new instance, right? So first instance. Okay, okay, just this like a key value pair. Okay, so I have given as that instance name as first instance. Okay, and click on next, configure security group. So for, I already told you, for Windows instance, so RDP is defaultly open, right? So RDP, right? Remote desktop protocol. Okay, so and see here it is showing as custom. So you can give any IP, like this is like to access this. 1 minute, I'll show you. Yeah, see, I am accessing from this computer, right? So it has its own IP address, right? So if you want to select, if you want to connect that, so you need to give your IP address, right? Or if you give as, like anywhere, so that means everyone will able to connect that EC2 instance what we have creating now. Okay, just I am giving as my IP. So that means only my IP only connect to that instance. So what I have been created now. Okay, so hope you it's clear, right? So if we give as custom, so you need to enter like, so if you want to if you want to connect that instance to laptop, so you need to give that to IP address. Like if you want to anywhere, that means every people will access this EC2 instance what I have created by using DNS, that password. Okay, and so I selected as my IP, that means my system only connected to that instance what I have created now. Okay, just click review and launch. And before, in previous steps, so this is security group name, so you can give any name. Okay, that's your wish. Okay, I am giving as security. Okay, security group 1. Okay, security group 1, and so I am giving a same name here, description. Okay, you can give any name or you can place that name also, no problem. Okay, clear, right? For Windows instance, RDP opened, that is default one. So if you want to connect with that Windows instance, like, so as I shown you, so in this you need to open RDP port. Okay, RDP, so that is a port name, right? So RDP need to open that for communication purpose. So definitely you need to enter your IP address also. So here you are entering that, so IP, so I entered as my IP, that means my system only connected to that instance what I have now created. Okay, yeah, see, just check it. So Windows only, just check it. After that, click launch. So I already told you, right, you need to create a new key pair. Click on that. So key pair name, so just I am giving as key pair 1 2. So just I'm giving the name as key pair 1 2 5 6. Okay, I'm giving one more 6, and just to download the key pair, click on download. So once it downloaded, click launch instances. Yeah, scroll down, so click on view instances. Okay, yeah, it will take some time. It will take some time. See the name of the instance, I already told you, right? Tags are nothing but the name of that particular instance. So I have given as first instance as the name of that instance what I have now created in Mumbai data center. So that's why it is showing as first instance. Okay, first instance. Okay, and see it's now running, and we need to wait for status checks. Okay, just I am refreshing just now, it initializes. We'll discuss what is status check and everything so in future videos. Okay, just I am refreshing that. So once it that, so to connect, like to connect to that this instance of what you have created in Mumbai data center, right? So you need one software that, so that is defaultly so that is defaultly in your system, no need to download anything. Okay, just click remote desktop connection. Okay, so you need this one. So this is defaultly in your system, no need to select anything, like no need to download anything. Okay, I'll show you how to connect that instance. Yeah, it is still status check in progress. Okay, and also I already told you, so what are the things we need to require, right? So I will tell you once again. So as of now, we successfully created, so we completed all these steps, right? So we successfully created new EC2 instance in AWS, that is in Mumbai data center. Okay, so now we need to connect that instance what we have created in Mumbai data center, right? For that we need DNS name, username, password, these three things, right? Password will get by using that PEM file, am I right? So by using PEM file only, so I will show you now. Okay, don't worry about that. So these are the three things, and also one more thing is remote desktop connection. Just search in your laptop, so it will show you remote desktop connection. Okay, so these four things you need, and now we'll see that. So whether that statistics, yeah, 2 by 2 6 pass. Now listen. See, select this instance what you have created. Okay, after click on connect. Okay, after go to the RDP client. After click this, copy this public DNS. Okay, so you need to paste here, like you need to write, so DNS name. So just I pasted username is administrator, copy that. And yeah, so now you need to get the password, right? So now click on get password. Okay, see it is asking about key pair. So what I have created, so just now I have given as my key pair name as key pair 12566, right? It is asking browse and see here downloads. So I downloaded, right? Just I'm selecting that, open. So now click on decrypt, right? I got the password, copy that password and paste it here, like somewhere, maybe notepad plus plus like that. Yeah, I successfully got public DNS name and username and password. So we are good to go to connect with that EC2 instance, right? So now click on remote desktop connection, right? Before I said right, click on that. So once you click on that, so it is asking about DNS, right? Select this DNS name. Okay. So what you collect from that instance, right? Go to there, remove this one. So that is earlier one actually. Paste it. After click on connect, it will ask about username and password. Okay. Yeah, it is asking. Copy that username, paste here, and copy the password, paste. Sorry, I don't know what happened. My control V is not working. Sometimes it happened in my system. Yeah, click on OK. Okay, it is asking like you want to connect. Okay, click on S. Wow, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connecting. It will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, yeah, it is like initializing that instance what we have created in Mumbai data center. Okay, it's still in progress. It will take 2 to 3 minutes of time. Yes. Wow, we successfully connected to that instance, that Windows instance, what we have created in Mumbai data center just now, right? We'll see the properties. Okay, properties also. We'll see that. So what are the properties of there? So we given as so one CPU, what is that? 1 GB RAM, 30 GB hard disk, right? So we'll see that. So we'll check that. So whether that are correct or not. Okay, just go to this PC. Oh, it is showing as 29.9, that means 30 GB only. Okay, that is hard disk. And go to the RAM, go to the properties and see this. So 1 GB of RAM, see install memory as 1 GB of RAM, right? That means we successfully connected to that. So what we have created Windows instance in Mumbai data center, right? So this is how you need to create, like you need to connect to this one. Hope it's understandable, right? So we'll discuss again, like so once again. Okay, these are the steps you need to follow. We successfully connected, right? So how to exit from here? Okay, just click on this into symbol. So it will give the pop-up. Click on OK. So you successfully disconnect from there, right? So this is how you need to create like Windows instance in AWS, right? Like how to create. So successfully we connected, right? So if you have any doubts, so you can comment it. So I will respond as soon as possible. Like after practicing completed, so you need to terminate the instance. So what happened if you not terminate the instance? Termination means you are permanently deleted from your system, right? So if you're not doing like that, so what it means, so that AWS people will send the bill to you. That means you are using their hardware, that their servers, like still it is running like 1 day or 2 days, so definitely you will get the bill. So for to avoid that bill, so once you practice it successfully, this is very important step you need to remember, how to terminate the instances once you practice it that. So most of the people don't know, like just they created and they are getting the bill. So because of this reason only they will practice, and they'll just they are not terminating the instances. Like select the instance what you have created. After go to the instance, go to the actions. Okay, not this one. 1 minute, I'll show you. Yeah, go to the instance state and click on stop instance first. Okay, first you need to stop before terminating this instance. Okay, so it is stopping state. So once it is stopped, we need to terminate that instance what we have created in Mumbai data center. Okay, yeah, it's still loading. It will take 1 minute of time or 50 seconds. This is very important to this is very important step you need to know. Yeah, successfully stop. Okay, after select again and go to the instance state and click on terminate instance. Yes, terminate. That means you successfully terminated that instance what you have created. Okay, once you practice it completed, so you need to terminate like this. So you need to use this AWS account like this. Okay, so if you're not doing like this, so you need to pay amount to the AWS, right? And after that, so once you terminated successfully, go to the EC2 dashboard. Okay, see, instances running at 0, so this will disappear after some time, so no need to worry about this. After some time it will disappear. So now key pairs are created, one new key pair created, right? We only created, we need to delete that one else. Click on key pairs, and so this one I created, right? Yeah, select that one, go to the actions, delete. Okay, so you need to type delete. Okay, click on delete. So successfully deleted. Again, go to the dashboard and refresh it. So no key pairs are there. Go to the security groups. So this is very important. Don't delete default one. Okay, don't delete. So you will understand what is the importance of that. So if you mistakenly also you delete it, so that means you are not able to access these services properly. Okay, don't delete. So while you are deleting, make sure, so you need to delete. So what you have created, see, I have created security group one name, right? So that's why I want to delete this one. Don't delete default one. Okay, and go to this delete security groups and click on delete. Okay, successfully deleted. Don't delete default one. Okay, now go to the EC2 dashboard, refresh it. Yes, everything is going fine. This instances one is showing, right? This will disappear after some time. Okay, no need to worry about that. So you need to take care about the running. So running is 0 and there is no key pairs, there is no security group. This is default security group. I think you are good to sign out your, so once your practice is completed, so you can sign out. So like this you need to use. Okay, whatever you have created, so you need to delete. Okay, and now we'll see so what we have discussed in this video. So once again, okay, just for understanding. Okay, we discussed about what are the details required to create a new AWS account. Okay, okay. After we'll discuss about what is EC2 service and how to creating and launching a new EC2 instance. We'll discuss like quickly, so one by one for quick revision. So what are the details we required, right? So you need email address, mobile number, credit card or debit card that should be enabled for international transactions. RuPay card will not work, Master or Visa will work. And these are the steps what you need to follow. First you need to log into the website, and after click on create new account. After you need to verify, this is the first step what you need to do. And so you need to verify your email address. After create your password for that AWS account. After you need to enter your contact information. After billing information, that means you need to enter your credit card or debit card details. Confirm your identity by using phone number they will ask. And support plan, it's very important, please select basic support plan. Okay, that is pre-tier eligible, you no need to pay the amount for that. And also it will work till 12 months. Okay, and also while you are entering the contact information, you need to select personal. Okay, this is all about regarding AWS account, how to create that. And we'll see now what is EC2. Once again, quick revision. Okay, what is EC2, and we'll see that practical steps also. Yeah, it is EC2 is one of the most popular service in AWS, obviously. So I hope you understand right now what is the importance of EC2. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Load. It is under infrastructure as a service, as I said. So if you want to know what is infrastructure as a service, just go to my previous videos. You will understand what is infrastructure as a service. Okay, what is Amazon EC2 means? Simply you can say Amazon EC2 will provide the scalability. Scalability means increasing the servers and decreasing the servers. You will understand. So while we are discussing with ASG, okay, that is auto scaling group. And also it eliminates the hardware upfront, because we, so see, just now you saw, right? So we didn't bother about any hardware, just within few clicks we created successfully server, right? So this is that's the meaning of this second statement. Okay, and so it mainly consists of these things. And so synonyms of server, so we got a target, computer, mission, like instance. As per AWS terminals, we got as an instance. So after we went through practical steps, so here, so first of all, to create a new AWS instance, you need to log into AWS. After, you need to choose the nearest region. So if you are from USA, so you need to select and Virginia. Like that, you need to select. If you are from Australia, you need to select for Sydney. So which is the nearest region for you? So total 26 regions are there. So if you want to know about what is a region data center, so go to my previous video, you will understand. Okay, and so what are the ways to access that EC2? So there are two ways. So I already mentioned, you go to the directly search bar EC2, or one more, services complete EC2. Okay, these are the 8-step process how to create that new EC2 instance in AWS. Okay, first you need to select OS. Okay, after you need to select instance type is nothing but a combination of CPU and RAM, and number of instances. Like, so if you want to create like 2 instances at a time, you can give the 2 like that. Okay, storage, this is default one for 30 GB, and so if you want to increase it, you can increase it. Adding tags is nothing but a naming of the server, what you need to create, naming of the instance. Okay, security group are nothing but it acts as a firewall to your instance, right? So it's dealing with ports, and port is the point of communication. And so for Windows instance, you need to open RDP port. And so second step is you need to review one latch. And so at final, so you need to download keypad in the .pem file, which is helpful to generate a password. And after, once you created successfully that instance so whatever your data center, so after you need to connect that, right? So for that you need to request 3 details, that is DNS name, username, and password. DNS name, so how you will get select that instance, after go to that, click on connect, so go to the RDP client, so you will get this public DNS name, username, and for password, click on that get password. And so you need to upload your PEM file what you have created, and so you need to decrypt it, you will get the password. So after that you need to open remote desktop protocol, like remote desktop connection, remote desktop connection. So given these all these details, so you will be able to successfully connect it to that. Hope you enjoyed this session. So if you have any queries, comment the video, so I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it, and share to your friends, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.